Lesson 61, number 2. How many different ways can Tom, Joe, Frank, and Sally sit in a row if Tom won't sit next to Sally? So one way you could do it is you could just do a whole bunch of lines of squares, you know, like have 4 empty squares, and just show all the different ways that you could pair, you know, you could do it with Tom not sitting next to Sally. Or is that what we're going to do? That is actually what we're going to do here. So, I don't know how many of these I'll need. Okay, if Tom sits first, then Sally could sit here, or we could have Tom first and Sally could sit here. Tom could be second and Sally could hit. Tom could be. That's the only way Tom could be second. Give me some more. I don't know how many I need. I'm just making some blanks. Okay, so if Tom sits in the first position, Sally could be there or there. Second position, Sally can only be there, otherwise she'll be next to Tom. If Tom sits here, then Sally can sit here. And there's no other place Sally can sit, so if Tom sits, you know, like if he's there, there's no other place he can go. So if Tom sits here, so I just started out, you have to have some organized way of doing it. My organization was put Tom in the first chair, see what I can do with Sally, then put him in the second chair, see what happens. It turned out there's only one place Sally can go if he goes in the second chair. If he goes in the third chair, there's only one place Sally can go. If he goes in the fourth chair, Sally can go here, or I guess Sally could go here, and that kind of takes care of Sally too, doesn't it? First chair, second chair. Did we try third chair? I think that takes care of Sally and Tom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. And then we can, if Sally and Tom already sat down, then there's 2 more people can go here. You know what I mean? And then, like, there'd only be 1 person left here. And same thing, I think we're just going to keep getting 2s and 1s, right? They're always going to have to be 2s and 1s. So 2s and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. What does that mean? Does that mean we just go... We're just going to get a bunch of 2s, aren't we? 2 times 1, that's 2, and another 2, and 2, and 2, and 2. And then I guess if we add them all up, we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yep.
And I erased it.
Okay. Let's